Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat protein powder with water. First, select a high-quality protein powder that suits your dietary needs. Next, grab a reliable shaker bottle, preferably one with a mixing ball or whisk inside. Begin by pouring about 8 to 12 ounces of cold water into your shaker bottle. This initial step helps prevent the powder from sticking to the bottom. Now, carefully add 1 scoop of your protein powder into the water. Make sure to secure the lid on your shaker bottle very tightly to prevent any spills. Then, shake the bottle vigorously for about 15 to 30 seconds. This ensures the powder fully dissolves, creating a smooth, lump-free drink that is ready to enjoy. For a thicker or thinner consistency, simply adjust the amount of water you use. If you prefer a colder, more refreshing drink, feel free to add a few ice cubes before shaking. Remember to drink your protein, shake immediately after mixing for the best flavor, and to avoid any settling or clumping. This ensures you get the most enjoyable experience from your protein supplement. Protein powder with water is incredibly versatile and can fit into various routines. Many people enjoy consuming it post-workout to effectively aid muscle recovery and growth. It also serves as a quick and convenient meal replacement when you are on the go and need a nutritious option. Additionally, you can drink it between meals to easily boost your daily protein intake and help you feel fuller longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.